Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 22, which is an ultra dice where it can display 100 different numbers starting from 0 to 99. Let's see how we can do this. For this, we need to complete project 20, which means the wire from C29 to negative should be present so that it works like a coin toss. Let's confirm that it is working like a coin toss. Okay, so it's functioning like a coin toss, which is project 20. Now we are going to do project 22 to convert this into an ultra dice. All we need to do is to switch it off, press the push switch, and then keep the push switch pressed, and then switch it on and release. Now this is in an ultra dice mode. Let's press and see. See, number is 73. It displays 2 digits, one after the other. Let's clap and check. Okay, 36. So this way you can convert this into an ultra dice. And how this works is the CPU has been pre-programmed to function like this. Okay, 18. So this can help you to play housey or full house or tombola. Excellent. You have completed all the projects. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Let's switch it off first.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.